Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them. Well, blessed love, guys. So, hope you're having a wonderful day. Anywhere you are, or anywhere you're watching from, welcome to Akeynote Life in Jamaica. Welcome. So, today, guys, we have a guest as well too. You know, it's been a while. This guest have been passed through. You know, he's one of our loyal viewers, our loyal extended family. Also, you know, always keep donating. Sounds like Scally. It's been a while, you know, so Scally is back here in Jamaica from them time that till now, you know, the man is here and he says passing through Trenchtown today, you know, so looking forward in seeing him and you know the thing goes. So at the meantime, you know, the barrel that came the other day, you know, from Andrew, you know, we're gonna sort that out as well too, you know, because we finally know who's coming from. Andrew from the USA, you know, we give thanks for that barrel. And also we have a box that arrive as well, so we're not going to go through the box today, so the box is for another day, because the barrel came before and it's two separate, so we're going to do it in a different time. So we're just going to run through the barrel quickly and see what's inside of it, and then we can know how to distribute it and things. You know the thing goes already, so there shortly. So checking out the store room. Oh wow. So guys, so this is the box that came as well to recently. This box here, so it's a half a size box and thing. So wow, it is loaded. Nah, like it is loaded, man. Dynamite. We have to go. One barrel in a someone run through. But I have to go draw out the box here. Oh, you can take out the barrel here. Just flick it. Flick it like a ninja. Yeah. Flick it. Other one. Yeah, man. One Pinedo. We'll laugh at me and you get Pinedo. Yeah, get in the charge up. No, the barrel I take out. Yeah. Just bring it to the shop and take out. So you know. No, we can stay for see what I'm going. We're bringing to the shop.
No, man.
Open the shop.
Flip back this every time.
We can stay there, so man. Let's roll up our side. Roll this up our side. By the lights in a boy. Yeah, alone could have pushed us away. Look at that light. Oh.
Yeah.
This. So something boy. That could pull out, we are good at that. You don't see, look. You don't see how one goes boss. I'm not even eat boss, it come like the next part.
I go to chop it out again. The chop out one here, you know. Clean up the front of
Alright, well, so here is the barrel. What are these? And stuff is all these ladies stuff. I put them in one bag. Put them in. Miss Grace today. But these are always crazy for soul and legs.
You don't lose it. You want to know about the next one? So one more about the same. Tam jest Gracie.
Yes, yes. Call him, man. Somebody have a name. Little girl. Is that what? Liquor or Mother Teresa? Yeah, Andrew. That Gracie. Yeah. Guys, I want you live and direct.
My brother crash you too.
You all on the mirror that one here. Here guys, this guy is saying bet $5,000. So Man United not gonna finish the season above him. You know? And right now, Man United has finished above this guy. $5,000 he owes me. He owes me $5,000. Yo, Nick!
When them play
Nick! $5,000 place. Guys, let me go search for this guy. Because him say Man United not going to finish above them. You know? See them, make sure recorded. Crown evidence. Look, see me? He's in the shop here. Crown evidence. This is him. You see him? Hello, sir. Yeah, this look like him. Exactly. At the same shop. At the same shop, this, right? Look, people. At the same shop. See there with the same bench. You know? AI. The same shop, the same goods them and everything. And the same sound. And the dog will just pass in the background and feel dog that talk. Yo, just 1 quart and keep the change. Yeah, 1 quart and him can keep the change. Right, that's all I'm saying, guys. 1 quart and him keep the change. That's all we need. I'm gonna tell you the date from when this. So, you know, Jella, where you say you drinking quarts? You drinking quarts? Where's the bread? Quart you drinking?
You must want a quart to drink while you're in the bed.
Yeah, man. No, Nick, we don't want no chaser.
Yeah.
Just a quart. Less than $5 grand. Less than 5. That's why I call that t-shirt. Let me get you. Jella, call me before you get that package as well, please.
Buy your phone this, okay? Take a slide.
Yeah.
If them too much and we know how them.
You're gonna split this between. Between Bata and
Yeah.
Akeynote and
No, I mean you want to have something there come here. Yeah, what am I doing? Alright guys, so here right now, so we have, this is what come out the barrel. They got some listed names as well too. You know, we got some names and some stuff as well too that's been listed. You know, so basically So we have Ensure that came for the blind brothers. So we have 6 Ensure here. And we have this is for Miss Gracie. So I guess these are some things that's inside of it for Miss Gracie. Also this for Miss Gracie. Miss Gracie there. So we have some, these are Miss Gracie package over here. Blind Brothers, Gracie. And we have a t-shirt there for Esther. We have something here for Bibi, Tisha, Jenna. And this is Cranberry father and a mother. And there's a box here with a tablet for one of the kids them up there. There's a name on it already, but I don't say the name yet. You know, to when time to reach there, we can unbox this. You know. And what else we have over here? We have liquor, Dream Team lady, liquor. Oh, that's Mother Teresa there. And everything. And we have some stuff here. The last stuff that came, you know, Barger and Prefect never got any knickknacks from them. So we're gonna make sure that Barger and Prefect get some knickknacks from these, you know, the channels. And we have some handbags as well too. We can give out to the ladies then, you know. We have some handbags and plus we have some shopping bags right here. Alright, and so basically, so baby, here we have the name on this. That's a good thing when you can read, you can't go wrong. I say baby, so I'm my courage. Yes, that's Bibi from Andrew from the US.
Andrew?
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Andrew. Really appreciate it. Big up all of the what you have the boy I got something. Big up all of the supporters, all of the donors, extended family. Don't know, one team, dream team. Many love, not change.
Yeah, man, I eat that not Andrew. I want to love, you know, I am good as from birth.
And we have Jenna. Them say Jenna, the big girl. I had the big girl.
Yeah.
I wore for one skirt.
No, look at that dress.
It's a dress.
Yeah.
I wore that dress with a wig. Oh, that as well to see there.
No, I'm here, girl.
Okay.
No, I'm brilliant.
Andrew.
May the good Lord bless you and keep you safe, Andrew. Big up all of the donors them across the world. Thank you very much, Andrew. Thank you.
Oh, baby, you want a handbag? Can Jella? No, Jella not wear these bags.
To wear them things on, you see.
We can take up shopping bag. We can take up shopping bag over there.
Okay.
And you have handbags right there. You know?
Thanks,
But for Jella prostate, jealousy for your prostate. You know, we have Esther. So Esther, here we have a t-shirt here as well too from Andrew. Oh, that's Cranberry.
Thank you, Mr. Andrew. Really appreciate it. Respect and love.
Alright, so that one is rainbow?
No.
That look like a rainbow. Coachy, you want a handbag?
Any little thing, the boy has to
Check that bag, check over there if you can see your bag.
supposed to done now. The bag we have to drink. No man, it's a boy one now.
It's a boy one you want?
Bibi, she don't understand the
This is the one you want?
Yeah.
Alright, there's one on the move.
One I move on.
Yeah, one on the move.
Alright, we'll take that one then. Respect.
Andrew, so thank Andrew.
Thanks, Andrew. Thanks very much.
I want to put it up on your shoulder, let me see.
Yeah, Diva. Wrap up and show them.
Yeah, this put it
Yes.
them
Half of the things we don't know she put in.
Yes, Poochie, that suit you. Are you that Andrew?
Thanks, Andrew. One team, dream team.
Alright.
Oh, the face, the next one now.
Yeah, Andrew. Blessings. Big up yourself. Thank you very much.
I never meet her.
I won't type it. She not type?
See there?
Ah, diva, right here?
But for diva, so tell her not diva.
No.
Yes.
Everything just the people which you want.
See his uncle? God. Everyone. Respect.
Andrew.
Uncle Andrew.
Anyway, I'm going back in the kitchen.
So these are the Mother Teresa here. Look, God to this. Hey, what are you from Andrew from the US.
Thank you, Andrew, so much from the US. May God bless you and keep you. All of the donors.
Yeah. You can choose one handbag over there.
I'm back yesterday, can't take up.
Whoa, who know?
Take the
So Blind Brothers and Grace put away. Natisha, so we have a t-shirt for Natisha, but we're not getting her.
Blind brother and Gracie, put them in this thing. Blind brother thing.
When it's heavy play, no?
Yes, that's a lot of money. I'm down to go.
For Blind Brother, put it next. Open the next bag. So Grace, a granddaughter. Yeah. Yes, yes. Esther, this are the Grace there too?
Yeah, because stop
Oh, stocking, okay. Like that, eh? Yes.
Please, put it low. Put it there.
Oh, put
Oh, put some money in there.
Grace, the granddaughter, thank you.
I'm sure back in the bar and the tank and just put the back in the
No,
bar.
not the
Now put
bar.
in the bar.
Alright, Andrew, I think Andrew, we appreciate how thank you so much for being so considerate. You know, we thank you so much. We're definitely going to make it work, you know, so the names and that's and the stuff then that is put away and definitely it's kept away so far. You know, so the Grace stuff and the Blind Brothers who went there and we're going to head over there, you know, they can literally get those stuff as well too. So Andrew, thank you so much for yourself. You know, God bless you, you know, things also. So him said these stuff now is individuals. Or this himself for Damari. He said this is for Damari. Okay. You put macaroni and cheese in there to Esther for them?
Rice and cheese in there.
Put just the macaroni. Don't put the cheese.
Macaroni and cheese there.
Like the cheese.
Yeah, look, put that. Pop it in. Put one more another. The next one over there, see.
You know, so put the pot in the Yes, I put a back.
Oh, baby.
Name the pan.
Yeah. Baby name the panda back at this. What did I say? Joyce.
I'm Grace then.
Yeah, Gracie. Come back at that. Jella. Give baby this back. This a baby name on it. Toothbrush. For baby.
Pick up one of this. A toothbrush protector. Oh, toothbrush?
No,
Okay, I want to see.
I want her to.
I want.
Oh.
Protection of weapon. Baby, sit on Jella.
Yeah.
Let me say I took it.
So we have to bust that bag here and give the man them some rice. 30 grand. Boom.
40.
Now we get back in our
Get bags and bust this. Take some rice. I'm going to turn back this way, I said. Take us. Them whatever they on the ground. Jella. If you can mingle and take one and stuff like that as well. So what you fancy also? And just make the thing work. So we have to put away some from Baja and prefect already and Orius are there.
Move start.
Baby. Where's your baby surprise? Is she there? Where's your baby thing now? Where's your baby? Are you come out so lady? Yeah.
Just one day.
That's Andrew from the US.
Andrew from the US. Bless up. May the good Lord keep and guide and bless and protect you. One tape, drink tape.
I can choose a handbag over here as well too. You have handbags over there you can choose from. You can choose the handbag over there if you like it, and you also have grocery shopping bag over here too.
Yes, baby. Thank you.
Choose the handbags of your liking. Then you like. If you have soap, you not teach us soap. They say get anybody open it.
Yeah, teacher, we'll get back to soap on the rice now.
Our size of
You can have.
you can have for that woman,
Look, woman.
womanish,
Yeah.
or female.
Yeah, we can have a coffee rice.
You cannot have.
They all size of wear.
Jalen not wear them things. Jalen not wear those female stuff. Oh, the Jella. She don't wear female stuff.
Still have to have someone to go see me and say. I think she was size of wear. One size with all, yeah.
Yeah, man, 10.
Hear you. That was the one size with all.
That's it, they're not up and on. I'm going to Tina.
Man.
Good afternoon.
Bag one.
Yeah, up there.
Hey, say, carry a bag. Where can pack in that?
Right, not going on a bag yet. I get time, but I appreciate it still, but I take something like. No, I talk about the bag first. I hear the woman already. I said nothing in the bag.
You have a female that can give a handbag?
Yeah, man, I say. My daughter can give female.
Ah, so I'm choose one handbag yourself.
I'm a female. Yeah. I'm a nice good daughter for sure. Right there.
But you want a handbag, Pat?
Thanks, son. You're not crying, don't you?
You have flitters them.
No, I flip right
Give
now.
me the one. The one that looks like my daughter. Give me this. I like it.
I don't want back that.
She come out with it?
Dennis, you want a handbag?
What is? Can't give me
Dirties.
Right, so.
You love you, see? What's me tell a woman?
She not give you that, you know, see that.
No, I like her.
This no please and
Just get her back from right there, so for your daughter.
Bro, if you like to put one back for me, let's stay so. You know, like, I'm telling you for more one skate, you know.
What? Skate? What kind of skate?
Look what, where, there.
A skate.
No skate, man.
Yeah, you can wash out this. You grab a bag. Hot grabber.
On the skate, no, man.
Yeah.
You know, say two. Oh, it's a damn fry. I'm not seeing nothing with that.
She was at the last
See
one.
me here? You know, see me here? I made this. When I can't put over me,
No.
you know, this is for the work. And stuff my phone in it. You know them thing there? Cross me.
Daddy, where you get this?
And this now, if me ever can look at date, just drop something in it and I hit that. One piece of clothes. You understand? Yeah. Respect, thanks, bless up. You know, they're kind of fast move, you know.
Alright then.
Yeah, look more.
Them girls are kind of funny, you know, I can't choose them.
And their business, man.
My daughter about it. And I grow the thing. When I take it on somebody else left for it. You know, some of them girls when they're young and alright. Push them one and do all them something. No, still, no, there are some people funny, there are some people very funny. Never want to one day.
grab a bag. And this is a good bag. So look at the bag now please.
Bag nice, me like it. Me know say this, my daughter would like the bag. And the young thing me see catching like it look style. Not tell you something. No, I know something, hold the bag. I want to look on the bag, just hold the bag. I look on it, but I want to see inside. Hold the bag.
Let me bag.
Let me show you. If you have five for the bag, it's not good. Let me see.
Let it go, let me show you.
Yeah, I'm looking at this nice thing. What that nice look inside.
It's a glass.
Boy, I'm
like original more than
I'm not original man. I love you, man. I never see one woman I love so. Come on, come see.
You love me for the bag. Nobody love me for the bag.
Come on, Pastor. Come on. US China, you don't know when I hear that. Yeah, man. You know what? I got video with me. I did. Come on, I bring a show one. I bring one show. National.
Matter we have on
This man have you right?
They're not start this. Yeah, they're not me. I say, hold on. This something wrong for me. No, but this clean and nice now, eh? Never see it, so hold on there. This, what I tell you, watch out.
This carry.
Just give me this hand, though.
This carry.
No, man. It's a bad place, this.
It's a bag for
no, man, you don't want this nice.
Him no want pick out where he want, him want where we pick out. What can go say?
No, man, what can go so? Someone look too bad. How do you go in and pick up good things? I can't see that. Hold on.
Yeah, but
no, I look for it.
No,
I don't want to see. I don't want to see.
Look at the man back now.
And that's how the scale better. Can't move.
Yeah.
No, the bag, when they take it up, it look good enough. But me take it up, look over to me at all.
You know when time something with a seat you don't want it, when you see somebody with it you want it.
boy, I look at bad fish here now.
No, we catch. Come on, we can't trick. We look one we have. They went there.
The Rosie come for shopping bag, Rosie. Come shopping bag.
So that we don't like them.
Rosie.
Woman business is a big thing. Come on there.
Go woman business.
You.
Go on there.
No, never hold on for that.
You don't want shopping bag? Oh. Yeah, shopping bag.
This your one, don't you?
Take it on.
Pretty.
One.
Black. Alright, take it black and give me. Alright. You know?
See a bigger black here. Yeah?
You want the bigger black me spot?
Yeah, this.
No, two this. I want. Alright.
I'm gonna get the clap bag. The clap bag is better. Give me one. Wait there. No man, no clap bag.
What somebody else with it?
Come here. You have to reach that bad side.
See you look.
I want to know.
Come in up. Come in up, friend. Come in up.
Give away bags. These are giveaway. Give away.
Look.
Clap, Coach, come in here. Clap back.
See a girl come and shop the care bag. Come choose a bag. Hello. Choose a bag. Yeah. We're not selling. We're giving them. Just choose a bag. Shopping bag, any bag. Choose the bag. So we not choose one. Choose a bag, actually. Alright. There you go. Shopping bag.
Larry call.
Larry. Yeah, girl. You want shopping bag?
You want them big one? Them big one here. Leave the big one. Some big one that can't hold around
you. Eh?
We have with them back.
Try and buy. Come on. You want one? I'm giving away. Yeah. You want a bag, Ripper? You know one bag? I say go to work the next day.
Yeah.
I want a good?
Yeah, man.
I want a good match?
Yeah.
Alright.
They are scared
when I get them because we get a whole heap of them. You Jenny, here we have 2 bags here. Giving away bags. You want bag? You want bag? Shopping bag?
What may I do with bag?
Here.
Thank you, my darling.
You're welcome. Who says me I sell bag?
I'm
saying I'm giving away
I'm
bags.
not giving it to you. No. That means if I sell it, I'm not giving it. I'm not giving it.
She's not giving you because I was just giving you. And you're like, what you do with bag? So Miss Eugene, what you do with bag now?
No, you're not going to get the green one. You're not going to
Ask her what you do with bag.
No, hold on to them. I'm giving you one.
Yes. So we're going to do the bag now, Miss Eugenie?
My darling.
No problem.
I'll carry everything, you know.
Alright. No problem. Boy, Josh, I come sell out with thing. Jen.
Yeah. Me see, man. Can't tell me now where that thing come out in there, brother.
See there. Some. Them on the whole work. Look on them. Yeah, man. Alright, so you big up yourself.
Every time, man. Much blessings, man. Isn't it?
Yeah.
One row.
Alright, cool. Colin. Eh?
Yeah, of course.
Forgot to hear. Full time to get up and walk, you know. Full time to get up and walk now, you know. There's a sling in the bed for you get up and come out. Yeah, man. Boom, 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 boom. Yes, the big boy that gets so big. One scale in the building. Oh, this. Him still has a dream team. Same way. You know me. Hello. Are you come on bike? Hello, wifey. Best. Welcome, Scally.
I don't even remember some man in school.
You and him? Eh?
Boy store, man.
No, I'm a boy store. Anish, man. Anish, man, I'm a boy store.
Oh, you remember now?
Anish.
Oh, okay. And it's the primary school, man?
Secondary.
Yeah. Like all age? Yeah. All age. One resort there. Boom!
Down ball.
No, she's over here.
Arias.
Side.
One electrician. The Teresa Instagram and road is too forward as well too. Baja and Prefect they ever reach it on the ground. Jack, so what you have to turn? Eh, shouting now. He's shouting now. It's the era already. Era! Scally. One Scally back on the ground. It's been a while, you know. Years. Last time I went on Dana,
Yeah.
around this, alright? It's a good while. So we still as a dream team? Yeah?
Dream team?
What?
Oh, you still a say same way. Are your family riding the bike a while ago?
Yeah.
Okay. Come look at the Richie B a pass a while ago. Earlier, but we gone a boy store. But I say Scally a pass through. But you probably know you by Scally. Oh. No, Richie B. Because you had me come on the last time. From Federal.
Oh, yeah,
Omar, brother. I think it was Richie. So one of the name we call Richie? Yeah. I probably got mixed up then. Probably got mixed up. Yeah. Oh, it's Esther. Where Esther go for? Yo, the street full of cars now, you know, so I go on.
I see you.
Yeah, place full of cars right now. Car and park. You know, later on you go see. Also the rice and bird.
Yeah, extended family, big up every time. More than lovely. Yeah.
Oh, see, so Bacha and Prefect just arrived.
Yeah.
Right in time. Pulling off right on time. Oh, she pass the bag for Baja and Prefect. Baja, Scally.
Yeah, man, of course, after. And Prefect, you know?
Just a come out for the painting as well too. Raja,
Yeah.
that bag there for you and prefect.
Okay. Ah. Yeah, man.
From Andrew.
Yeah. Who that?
Andrew from the US.
Anjo from the US. Blessings and love, you know. Keep on doing the doing. You understand?
It's a tall one.
And as we on this side, we still do the good work.
Same.
Blessings and love.
Yeah, prefect.
Yeah.
From Andrew.
Anjo, only for love, no thanks, you know, really appreciate it. I don't go for me. The team is in, bless up, you know, stay strong, you know.
Yeah,
Don't know.
Have to stay strong. Yeah, stay awake. No. Yeah, go on, Father. Esther just forward as well. Woo! Nothing not change. Is the baby already down there, sir?
Yeah,
You guys are bun up, man, boy. I'll show you one video where them say about the jasmine. How they make it.
One. Baseline Jackson.
yes, sir.
One lecture.
One Pinedo.
Yeah. Come down the bench. Yeah.
You want to sit down, you can sit if you want to down. See a nice cozy chair right there. You know, we call it this, the lazy boy, we call it, you know. The lazy boy. Gio.
Yeah.
And Scotty, we're supposed to see him as well around sometime.
One gym team.
Come in. Scotty,
But you're done with YouTube.
Next time I put my phone there. I can't go there. yeah.
Oh, go on. Come here, kids. Esther, what should something there for them?
Have them carry them home.
They have something for you.
When we come back, we're going.
Oh, now go.
We're going to bed.
I'll go be it.
And I write them, don't forget it, because some people
I'll get now. I can stay there, so. We'll find somebody and leave. Sister. Shabu them love road, you know. Yeah.
How are we at
Yeah, I'm going to get ready.
Tina, how are we at
Want someone to use to shower with.
They want it.
You want to follow her go for it?
Yeah.
Wow. Esther, them are comfy. Yes, man, you know that's Cali, you know, I'm saying it's been a while I haven't passed through, you know, and it's back here same way underground, you know, giving a quick pass through, and we appreciate it same way, you know, everything goes, you know, one scallop on the ground as usual, you know.
We need it more. That's what I'm going to tell you. We need friend in need, friend in need.
Yeah.
That's key.
Where there? Same church, man.
Final sell thing. And then far walk down there.
So traffic, yo.
Traffic. Whoa! Oh, she walk on a culture. You know that one else should get big now?
Good.
Baby and chips are bar.
Mother is home, so I'm free.
Yeah, man. You have to murder in a while ago.
I will do.
You have to murder in a while ago. You know when you do
How? How that snow? No long me not see that one, yeah? Yeah, Snoop! Let me get something now. A Friday, you know. A Friday. No, like me not see you. I feel when I say when I drink. When I drink.
next week we get checked. No, I check them here. I'm not going to change the 12 o'clock.
Come on, something going on. Which is man? But just see me I know.
What color which is man? Cooler man.
Make it go on, man.
Go on. Everything fresh. Nothing, so check me get to there.
Yo, story. Come in a story. Make something go on, man. Hey, story, make it already. Every time you see him, I check him up. Come on, make something go on, man.
China, man. I check China.
Yeah, I think it's on this, you know. Every time I see him, I pay check him, get him. Never have cash yet. I'm going to see you too much. Pay a story, them man. It's alright, man. Yeah, of course. Pay excuse. Story, true story, brother.
Yeah, the one we love you when you are busted, you know.
Yeah, my dear. Don't be the cassette there. Don't be the cassette.
That I play around there.
Cassette I play right now. Guys, look at this. Foundation. Cassette. Scally. The last I see this.
Cassette.
Yeah. I hate the man I play right now, you know. It's a Fergie Benz himself. Part of the culture yard.
So I did record first and then cassette.
Vinyl first, then cassette, yeah. Cassette, man, so that's up there right now.
Good.
Original, you know? Get the cassette out.
How much time we have to try like glue it back and try it? Well then.
Culture yard. Stone man are there. Then I iron tree. have the statue down there as well.
Oh yeah.
Ice the bus.
Stone man, that man.
It look like stone man. Yeah, so in the culture yard. Yeah. Look real. How would I? So that's the Bob Marley bus. Look real. Oh, Joe Higgs. Oh, that's Joe Higgs. Okay, guys. So this is Joe Higgs. This one look real. Well, I got my general out there play for your guitar now. Joe Higgs.
Life nice, you know?
Yeah.
Just you wait. This young lady is a
Culture yard, guys. Culture yard. Original, you know? Culture yard looking more and more better, you know?
Best team,
yeah, nice man.
Yeah. This real artist, great team.
One team, you know?
People do it, you know? Dream team.
Yeah.
Chaya Trent Stone, you know?
Dream
man, go on do the thing. One key, you know?
Yeah.
Look how they work, you know? Go on do the best thing, you know? Help the youth who you can help, you see me?
Yes,
So, you see me? Support Keen at all times, Trent Stone. 190.
190.
Yeah, but one key.
What go on now?
You pass me, sir?
No.
No, guess what? This is true.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.